Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another plan with me and my Hobonichi cousin, and today we'll be using the hourly format of our Hobonichi cousin kits in Book Lover. And we will be planning for the week of August 5th through the 11th. And if you'd like to see how my page will look like, make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the kit first. So in our shop, we do offer two types of Hobonichi cousin kits. One of them is vertical and the other one is hourly. The vertical format will look like, hang on, let me see. All right. It will look like this. As you can see, I barely used this page. I was trying to get back into my Hobonichi cousin around this week, and I did move countries and I was adjusting, so I left this practically untouched since I filmed my plan with me on this, and I'm very sorry for that. But the next week was, well, actually I made a mistake here and I should have put this on this page. Or these pages, but I made an error and I'm sorry. So this is what the page looks like. So this is this week. It is currently Friday, and I'll just let you know what I use this for. So this is my schedule tracker. So I can track what I did for that day. I am in grad school and I do mostly research. I don't have classes to go to or anything like that. So my time is mine and mine alone, and I want to be productive for every day. So that's why I have a tracker over here of my schedule. So we're going to recreate that in the correct week. And this is the kit that I will be using. This is called the Book Lover. And as I mentioned, this is the hourly format. So it comes in 2 pages. You have your first page here with the date covers. This is the stackable sidebar bits, and you also have the hourly headers over here. And then you also have the second page, which has first this box that goes over there. It will completely cover it. You also get your bottom bars, and the bottom bars are grid. And then you have your script stickers. They are all to-dos, and then a script sticker that's bigger of the weekend, and you also have a bunch of decos. So I don't have the deco sheet that usually I make for kits like this. Actually, let me check once more. Success! I have actually found it, and it looks like this. So this deco sheet was created specifically for the Hobonichi weeks, but you can also use it for the Hobonichi cousin. And what I did was, for each collection, there is one deco sheet, and you'd know which collection it goes with because the title of the decorative sheet is the same as the collection name. Just like this one is the same name as the collection name as well. My Book Lover kits are ready. Let's go ahead and put down our stickers. By the way, the kit that I'm using comes in glossy cream paper, which is best for fountain pens. But I'm not going to use a fountain pen today. I have a new pen that I am trying out, and I'm very excited about it. That's why I've been using it religiously. So I'm just going to put this above the number 8. And this was actually designed so that your day starts at 8. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put down the right date cover strip, also at number 8. It's going a little crooked, so I'm sorry for that. Alright, so this is what we have so far. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cover up this little square. Well, it's not actually a square, it's a rectangle. There we go. And that is ready. So now we can go ahead and play with the bottom bars. So the bottom bar is designed to go over number 22. So I'm going to place it under the last line for number 21. And I'm going to do the same for the right side of the page. So if you're new to my channel, what I do is I position it and butt it up against the line that I see. And then I hold it down and smooth it over. There we go. So this is what we are working with. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my first page and build my sidebar. So I'm going to go ahead and put this over the top of the calendar, and I'm just going to eyeball it. So hopefully it isn't crooked. Good enough. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this box. So this box has lines and it's sectioned off over here. So what I tend to do is over on these little boxes, I would put Monday through Sunday for my week. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my habit tracker. I think this is the best place for this because I always go to my schedule first and then my Hobonichi weeks. With that, I also go through the daily pages of this planner, which I've turned into my weekly to-do list. There we go. And then I'm going to take this giant box, and it just has that little header and the box itself. There we go. And I'm going to take this other blank box, smaller one. It's like a half box. Put it over here. And then I'm going to go ahead and put down the last little box. Now what's going to happen here at the very bottom, I'm going to put down this typewriter. Put it at an angle so that it's more interesting to look at. All right. So I'm going to put priorities here and maybe goals. Depends. I think I'm going to go ahead and take my little feather and place it over here as well. All right. So that's a little layering that happened at the corner of the camera. So that's what it looks like. And now we are ready to plan this week. So I'm taking my Sharpie pen. So this is my newest pen and it is a felt tip. And then the packaging says it will not bleed through. And I have tested this in my Hobonichi weeks. I have a plan with me on that so you can go ahead and see that. Oh, hang on. Let me grab my Tombow. So this is my Tombow calligraphy pen. This is the hard tip, I think. And I'm just gonna put August again. But it says August here. Okay. And then I'm going to take this blue feather and put it over August. Well, not the August that I wrote, but the August that was on here. I'm not going to put down the to-dos because this is going to be my schedule only and no to-dos. Just all schedule. So I'm gonna go ahead and put down the weekend section. It's a section because I'm going to layer these stickers. Okay, that's one layer. Should we put, okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take this sticker. Now this sticker is matte. So there's going to be not just a layer, but it's going to also have a little bit of texture. And then I'm going to take the weekend banner and put it on top of two stickers that I put down. Excellent. So now I'm going to put down the remaining deco on this sheet, like this one and these two. And that's perfect. So as you can see, the page is super clean, very functional, but decorative at the same time. And this is the kind of spread that I am liking at the moment. So, okay, I still have these. I'm going to put down this giant sticker. So the side-by-side bar sticker will go in between these two lines right here. So I'm going to put this down on Friday because I have a meeting. It is a very important meeting and I don't know what's going to happen there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put down the little time things. So these hourly strips or hourly headers. Now the difference is that for here it covers everything. This one will not do that. It will actually leave the number uncovered, unstickered. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this down. Alright, so I'm gonna put this down here because I know I want to film. So I'm not going to go ahead and use these yet because I don't have any idea what's going to happen in the week except for these two things that I have to film and I have a meeting. So it's going to stay that way. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ruler and my Sharpie pen and I'm going to go ahead and deepen the lines of the daily sections. Okay, so that is done and it just gives it a little bit of not color, but a little bit of decoration so that it looks a little bit more cohesive. I do have a lot of dark colors here in this spread. So this is what it looks like. I think we're finished. Yeah. So I'm going to leave it like this and we'll see for the rest of the week how this pans out, because as I've said, I really don't know what's going to happen for this week. It's only it's only Friday now, and I haven't actually figured out what's going to happen here. So I guess that's it for us today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to follow us on our social media. Our Instagram and Facebook is paperjoyph, and our Facebook group is paperjoyph Planning World. If you'd like to see how this page will turn out at the end of the week, make sure to follow me on my Instagram, because that is where I usually first post all of my completed spreads. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. The next video will be super fun, because I'm gonna go ahead and give you a sneak peek. I'm going to be building a weekly in my daily pages, and I'll see you in that one. Bye!